How are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 41 of GoMining solo mining. Right now, and I'm saying right now, we are sitting at 2 miners, 503 terahash, 15 watts of terahash with a 6.41% discount. But you know what I'm going to be doing near the end of the video? We're going to be adding about 2,500 terahash. So if you want, you can stay tuned for that. But at the moment, we're just going to be going over our good old weekly rewards. But first, to the dashboard, my total Bitcoin rewards is 0.0422803 Bitcoin. Says it's worth approximately $2,866.73 assets. But let's just be sure, we're gonna copy this, and everyone already knows we're gonna come to the Bitcoin to USD. Oh my, look at this, Bitcoin is down 2% today. Oh my, look at that. But that's okay, because we're going to see what we have in total Bitcoin mined. Approximately $2,857.41. Not too bad. Actually, if I reload this, what is it going to say? Is it going to be 866 or is it going to be 857? It still says 866. So, you know, we're going to go with that number because it's a little bit higher. And obviously, we want the more money. Might not be true due to current calculations, but it is what it is. Yes. And so, for the week of February 3rd to February 9th, with these beautiful 7 days, of course, we had 2 of them having the maintenance paid with GMT thanks to our beautiful referrals. We thank you guys. And again, remember, referral link will be down in the description below if you want to start mining yourself. It says our total rewards were 0.00073217, but I just want to ensure, so I'm going to quickly add these up like I always do, and then we're going to see if it's off by 1 or 2 Satoshis. Well, what do you know? It is exactly on point as it should be. So we're just going to come over here, and we're going to copy this to see how much moolah we made last week. Come to the Bitcoin to USD converter, like we always do. And before we do this, we're going to take a guess. We're going to take a guess. Because the price has dropped quite a bit, I want to say like $55 or $57, maybe 60. Oh, dear God. Oh, that's a lot lower than I was thinking. That is a lot lower than I was thinking. But it is what it is, because that's the current price. Remember, when Bitcoin goes all the way back up to $1 billion, just kidding, when it goes back up to the all-time highs of about $126,000, which is about double the price now, that will be about $100. So I will take that. Yeah. And now for the real fun. We are going to be adding about 2,500 terahash to bring it up to just over 3,000 terahash that we have. And I would love to do this all on one miner, but unfortunately, to do an upgrade this big to add 2,560 terahash on this, you can only do it with crypto. And I do not have $41,000 in crypto to spare. I have Bitcoin, and I'm not going to sell my Bitcoin and or / trade it in at such a low price. Why would I do such a thing? So what we are going to do now, I do not recommend most people doing this, let alone anyone doing this, unless you fully understand your own financial situation and are able to pay stuff back at the correct time without going into severe fucking debt. What I'm going to be doing is creating a miner using the mine now, pay later method, mainly because I don't want to just instantly throw about $41,000 on a card and then have that interest boom, 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 go all the way up. So I'm going to do it in 4 separate payments. That way in the first month, you know, the interest is a little bit lower than it should be, and then I can just pay it off better. I already know in the long run, I'm going to get this back, because let's say Bitcoin goes back up to $120,000. Well, yearly, this will be making about $32,000 with an ROI of up to 79.67%. That is just lovely. And now I already know that some people are going to say, oh, what about the halving? Yes, I know. The halving approximately is going to be in 1 year and 311 days. And then the reward of Bitcoin will be cut in half. But I am not worried about that, because I know that price of Bitcoin will go up like it always does, either a year or a few months after the halving happens. We're in this for the long run, baby. This ain't short-term games. This is long-term games. I'm saying games by accident. G-A-M-E. I meant to say G-A-I-N-S. Gains. We're gaining this, baby. So what we're going to do is create a 2,560 terahash miner at 15 watts a terahash using the mine now, pay later method. Continue. It is going to be a total of $42,491.18. Oh my God, that's a lot of money. That's a lot. That is a lot. Now I'm going to quickly do this thing and ensure that I don't show any information that I should not. So I will be back in uno momento, por favor. And just like that, Congrats, you've created a miner. It's yours for life and ready to earn daily Bitcoin rewards. 2,560 terahash at 15 watts of terahash. So far, we've made 1 out of 4 payments, but we are going to make a payment every single month until we fully own this miner, and then we are going to mint it onto the Ethereum blockchain for us to then transfer to our Trezor wallet so it is safe forever. This is a big accomplishment for me, a big accomplishment, a big step forward, and I'm glad that you guys are here to share it with me. Now let's take a look at this. Let's take a look. There's still a few more things. Yeah, obviously we got the payments. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got some GoMining tokens at the bottom, and it's a nice gold one. I like this. I like this. Oh, it's not gold, it's bronze. Oh yeah, no, it's bronze. Oh well, that is okay. Look, it's an uncommon, uncommon, and uncommon. I love this. And you know what the other good part is? Look at that discount now. Look at that discount. 7.01. A lovely, a jubbly. And you know what else this means? You know what else this means? We've now gone up in, well, actually, I think I reloaded it before I could close it out to see it, but we have gone up in our VIP status. We went from VIP Platinum Level 1 to VIP Platinum Level 3. Now, what I'm hoping, because I went past 1,000 and past 2,500, I should have 5 Platinum Go boxes ready to open. So I'm gonna go here. Oh, and we do. And we do. Oh, this is going to be it for another video, and I hope you guys are going to watch this, because we're going to open 5. We're going to open 5 of these. Oh my god, look at that. We have 7 days to open them. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. Reach Platinum 1 VIP status. You get 1 Go box. We already did that. And then we just did these 2 here. Reach Platinum 2 VIP status. 2 Go boxes. Reach Platinum 3 VIP status. 3 Go boxes. Oh my god. You know what? Yo, imagine all 5 of these. All 5 of these. Bang out 25,000 GMT each. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Or even that, I would take an access key. I would take an access key. That would be amazing. Even though there's no good avatars at the moment. But this has been the beautiful weekly video. And for anyone who is looking to mine Bitcoin, there will be a referral link down in the description below. You will earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchased. Absolutely amazing. And the reason why I made my purchase right now is, oh my, look at this. Look, I got 2 big Bitcoin miners. Yeah. Is creating a new miner. The lowest discount is 24%, all the way up to, I believe, 27%. But hey, if you're just doing upgrades right now because you already have a Bitcoin miner, it is 23%. But hey, if you're just wanting to upgrade a miner because you already have one, across the board, it is 23% off all upgrades. So I would take advantage of it now while Bitcoin is low before she shoots back up. Oh my god, I can't wait for my first payout tomorrow. I cannot wait for my first payout tomorrow with all this. Beautiful. Well, we will see you guys soon. Have a great fucking day, and God bless.
I am confident, I am smart, I am rich, I am courageous, I am strong, I got heart. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations.